Hi, I'm the Busy Bee Mom. Welcome to my sewing channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing some crafts. I was at a garage sale in a little town in Iowa, and this box was on a table. Musty, dirty. It says handcraft kits and lime HYD hydroxide. I don't know. Handcraft kits piqued my curiosity though, so I peeked inside and opened one of the boxes just enough. This is basically a box full of boxes. There's boxes in here, lots of boxes. I opened one just enough to see that it was a craft kit. Not a awesome craft kit, but oh, that's so dated craft kit. But I've got kind of piqued my curiosity, and it said $1 on the lid, and I was like, $1 each or the whole box? She's like, take the whole box for $1. I was like, sold. So I basically bought a whole box full of kind of dated craft kits. So in this video series, we're going to unbox them one at a time, and I'm going to try to assemble it and make it. So I'm going to do a little separate video for each one. This will be the intro for all of them though. And you get to follow along as I explore these craft kits and try to make something beautiful. Time to reach in the box and pull out craft kit. I think we're on number 9. Yeah, 7 I uploaded, but it got dinged for copyright music something, even though I had permission. So we're waiting for that to clear. 8's processing. So let's get 9 out. I think we're getting down there. There's only 2 in here. There's a big one and a small one. Although the small one's, I should say a fat one and a skinny one. I think I might know what's in the fat one. I looked at these like months ago, so, but now I don't remember. So let's do the fat one, because I have no clue what the skinny one is. I'll save the best for last, right? All right, so let's do the fat one. Okay, I pulled the paperwork so you don't get to see a picture of it accidentally. Yeah, this is what I thought it was going to be. But what do you think it's going to be? Piece of paper with, I don't know, something on it. We have styrofoam bowls, circles. Looks like we have 2 this size, 2 this size. Oh, you see what that is? Yeah. Alrighty. We have a paintbrush with bristles. I feel kind of crunchy, weird. We have some kind of like brown boarding. We have a little bit of purple yarn, lavender yarn, and our foil packets of dried out products. So we're going to need white glue. We're going to need white acrylic semi-gloss. That's actually kind of squishy still. It's not rock hard. Purple acrylic latex. Bright pink acrylic latex, and green. So we need some paint. Green, bright pink, purple, and white. Alright, well, not a lot of pieces, and yay, I don't have to cut the styrofoam. I just cleaned up all this little styrofoam bits from the last one. Alright. Oh, our paperwork. Let's see if we got any good ads in here. We got a jewelry ad. I think we saw this before. To buy, yeah, sparkling man-made diamond ad. Our film, get our film developed. We've seen a lot of these before. What is this? Take any 2 kits or books for only $2.95. So you have some more fun things to do. Look at that grumpy looking owl. So, okay. Stuff for macrame weaving and crocheting, needlecraft, embroidery, You know what? I don't see any instructions. What is this? Betty Crocker recipe card library. So you can get all these recipes and a box that they go in. And they're even color coded. I wish somebody would do that with all my recipes. And we have an envelope of cosmetics. It's never even been opened. We got mailing envelope. So you can get some cosmetics, different perfumes and stuff. All right, I'm sure they just all smell lovely. Okay, well, oh, the envelope on the back. Does this have the instructions? No. It's for the Emotion Stone ring. Okay, so our kit didn't come with instructions, so I opened up the last kit to see if there was instructions in with it. No. I've been going through all the paperwork that came with all the kits, and no instructions, and no picture. So we're just going to wing it. I mean, I know what it's going to be, I'm just not sure what color paint goes where and what the ribbon and twine are for, or the yarn, and then there was some twine in here. I'm not sure what those are for, but so we're just gonna wing it and we'll figure something out because no instructions and no picture.
Dear member, perhaps you've already noticed that in order to speed delivery, improve service, and organize the work better, we've changed our mailing schedule slightly. Instead of mailing monthly, we now are sending our surprise kits every 4 weeks. We can now plan for holidays and any emergencies that come up. As a member, this change means a different payment due date every month. You may have wondered why the payment date keeps changing on your membership identity card. Well, the answer is 4-week mailing schedules. And although the payment date never changes more than a day or two at the most, you have to keep an eye on the calendar. But if you hate deadlines and love bargains, may I suggest advanced payment? Because if you pay ahead for 6 kits, I'll send you a free bonus prize. Pay ahead for 10 kits and I'll send you 2 bonus prizes. Pay ahead for 12 kits and I'll round out the year with an extra surprise kit free. 13 kits for the price of 12. A baker's dozen bonus. Do yourself a favor and send in your advance payment now.
Okay, time out. This is looking seriously creepy right now, at least to me. I don't know what to do though with his poor face, because, yeah, it's looking a little freaky. But all the kit came with was green, purple, and bright pink, and white. That leaves me 3 colors to try to do a face. Green, purple, and pink. So I'm going to take a little time here and phone in some help. I'm going to call my sister and my daughter, see if they have any inspirational ideas.
Remember, you are assured satisfaction by our unconditional money-back guarantee.
Okay, I'm just gonna quit on the Easter Bunny. I did never figure out what I was supposed to do with the jute. Tried making whiskers out of it. I don't know, it just kind of looks like he's got dead grass stuck to his face, her face. So, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to fit. I don't know what I was supposed to do with the jute. There was about enough to go around the middle here, but that doesn't look quite right. I don't know. I'm mystified. Alright, let's rate this project. Now, keeping in mind it did not have instructions. I just took my best guess at what I was supposed to do. So we got our scale from 1 to 5 for our project. 1 being absolutely awful and 5 being fantastic. So let's see how we rate this. First thing I always rate is materials. They were okay. I'm going to assume that originally came with the directions. You know, the styrofoam balls fit together and went together like they should. And I think felt ears would have been nicer. A little bit of something, not just the paper, but and maybe more colors of paint. I couldn't figure out how you were supposed to paint the face with just green, purple, and a pink and white and have it look, I don't know, natural. The face is kind of scary looking. So when I texted my sister and daughter when I was at the scary face, and my sister recommended breaking the eyebrows away from the rest of the face, that would help. And she also recommended the pink band through the middle to help just kind of tie everything together. And my daughter just responded with one word. She's like, pupils. So I was like, yeah, something about that blank stare was a little unnerving. So materials, maybe some other colors of paint, but then again, I don't have the instructions, so I'm not sure what they were intending. But so okay for materials. Makeability, yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's doable. It wasn't overly complicated. You just glue it together and paint it. So pretty sure that's all that there was to it. Attractiveness, yeah, not very good. It just is lame. And the face is kind of scary looking. I don't know. It's just, no, not good. Overall, I'm going to go with a 2. Not very good. It's just a cheap, crappy Easter craft that's not, it's not very cute even. It's a little better now that I've added the ears. When I first was like, when I first outlined it, he had this blank stare and the bald head, and I was just like, this is not turning out good at all. But it is much improved with ears and eyeballs and eyebrows not connected to the nose, but I don't know. Little fake grass whiskers, yay or nay? And I don't think, this stuff just doesn't go with anything else. Or was I supposed to use this, like the whole thing as whiskers? It just seems so fat. Just to put like a couple of those on there. It's just so big. I don't know. Alright, well, number 9, done. I've actually already did number 10 because I wanted to open 10 to see if the instructions for this one accidentally got misplaced in it. So this is, I'm done. And I go back to work. I have my summers off. I work at a school. I go back to work in like a week and a half. So I'm going to get my sewing room turned back into a sewing room, get all this craft stuff put away. And this was a fun summer project to make all of these, and I hope you enjoyed watching them. I had a lot of fun making them, even though some of them are not very good. You take care. Have an awesome year.